About to get ready to come over. Can't even say hey to the block. Hold up. They gonna say hey, y'all. What y'all painting? Let me show y'all something right there.
It's space.
All right.
I gotta finish it though.
Right,
Am I doing before and after?
All right. Yeah, y'all. This is gonna come over. We're gonna have some vibes. So we'll check back with y'all next clip. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next clip.
Okay, she got something, y'all.
3 hours later.
We at the park. We was out here talking till like 3 in the morning. You was on TikTok live, I remember. And I remember them people was like, where y'all at? I know where y'all at. And I thought they was dead serious. That was crazy. What is up, party people? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna say video, but welcome back to another video. So right now we are doing skincare, and y'all can't tell already. I got a new backdrop. That's what I was introducing the vlog for. But I'm about to go do my skincare and stuff off camera. As y'all can see, we got some going on. So we're about to get that under control. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Oh yeah, I like it. Okay, y'all, so everything is all glossed up and clean. This robe is so roby. It makes me feel like a grown woman. You know, take a little shoulder off on the side and show my little. Yes, y'all, it's giving grown woman vibes. And I cannot get over my backdrop. I got the lights on too. We're about to be vibing and sliding up in here. I'm about to go live on Instagram, so I'll come back. But I do want to show like my gifts that I have received, and then I'll be wrapping the vlog up because it's about to be a new week. It's about to be new content. So yeah, I was about to polish my nails, just my regular nails, clean them and polish them clear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows so they can be already done for the day. And yeah, that's what's happening, y'all. This one was the one that I got from my sister. She gave me 2 candles. One is the black cherry Merlot, smells so good. The other one is you know, like a little lavender Nissa beef when I clean up the room sometimes or whatever. And then these did not come in there. And then I also got a little gift card from Ulta. I did not get to show this, but I'm so freaking excited to use this. I'm taking my time because I want to save some money to put with this. It's 75 bucks on here, and I'm gonna put probably another 75 bucks, and I'm gonna get me some nice stuff, y'all. I deserve it. And then of course a little cute little beauty thing and a nice card. I ain't gonna put my card on here because I already made a gifting video. If y'all want to see that, y'all gotta go on my TikTok and go watch it, because yeah, I shouted out all the people that gave me gifts. I had received 3 gifts plus a cake that my best friend had gave me, and then I had got some Malagra from Kayla. Shout out to Kayla. She gave me this and she gave me 2 3 5. Yep, she gave me this and that. And then another gift that I have from Monique. And happy birthday to Monique because she did show up at my party and she gave me a gift. Thank you, girl. I really appreciate it. We got a prayer journal. Got some little knickknacks up in here, like some little socks, a little cute little pen. And it's actually, y'all, this, come on now, people know me. These are my people. These people know me, and they got a little mirror at the top. And then she also gave me a little coin purse. If y'all know me, I keep a lot of change, and I like the aesthetic of it. It's real pretty. They say don't change, beautiful on there. And then also I got a goddess little keychain. And then my favorite was a pendant that she got me. And it says, it's like this, and it says, a piece of my heart is in heaven. Y'all might not be able to see it. But shout out to Monique. I love that gift. That was a beautiful gift. And then last but not least, Alana. Shout out to Alana, Demetria's girlfriend. She bought me some wine. Y'all know I get down with the wine. And then she got me some Ariana. What are y'all talking about? And I need to show y'all how it looks. I'm trying to do this real quick because it's so hard to open. But look at the freaking vase that it came in, y'all. Sorry, y'all, but yeah, Ariana, y'all. And I smell something on already, y'all. I mean, I sprayed something on already. It smells so freaking good. Like, this is so lit. Look at this. It's giving vibes. And then she gave me a pretty little card. Like I said, I ain't gonna read all the cards, but the card, the aesthetic of it is so me and it's so pretty. Thank you, Alana. And yeah, that wraps up the gifts that I had, that I got for my birthday. I just wanted to show y'all because I did not get to show y'all yet. And yeah, it's lit. I'm gonna be back when I'm done doing my makeup, etc., etc. Because I'm gonna listen to some music and charge my phone. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Road to 200. We at 157. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta. Come on, subscribe, y'all. Subscribe. Alright, y'all.
You got niggas. I want you to turn up on me. Better recognize when I see I really want you.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So I'm about to close this vlog out.
And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.